Friends, I will teach you how to use Spotify. It is a global service, so you can use it. You just need to install this app. For those who already know this video, it will be a new video, so I need to turn on the Wi-Fi. It is a free version, so this is the home page. It will change depending upon how you use. I have already used this is one of my favorite song. You can comment one your favorite song. This is also one of my favorite song, but you see you need to, so this is ad free. You can go here, these settings, and you see you can log in with your with your Facebook account or Google account, and you can play with you see you can play on your Bluetooth speaker also. Let me show you. See, this is Bluetooth speaker, and you can, I am turning this on. So after that you need to turn on your Bluetooth, and when you turn on, you see it's automatically connected. JBL go to, and after that you can play any songs. I'll not play this song in my copyright. I might play some Manipuri songs because most Manipuri songs are not copyright. I don't know, I may not take the risk. I will not play, but you can change also here by clicking here. So if you make this iPhone, it will play on your iPhone. You can say good player, and if yes, of course you will have limited feature if you are a free user, but for what I'm using is a free user. They are already earning money through it, so the thing is I don't want to use it also. That's it. It's very easy. And where is the music quality? You can change the music quality also. Normal is recommended, high is also very high. It's for, I think, premium feature. Even high is for premium feature, but normal is all right. Download for download. High, oh, very high is for what, premium, so high, but make it automatic. This is the best option, so make it automatic, friends. So that's it, and I'm not going to play any songs because, as I already said, it might copyright it, and what is the use if the songs are copyrighted? So you can do choose any songs from here and play it. So that's very, it's not necessary there, but this one is also good. This is Indian version. Okay, this one is good, this is also good. I have, where is it? 07. I think I have uninstalled 07. 07 was also good, but I have installed, here is it. This is also Indian, this is not Indian. You have SoundCloud also, but I most of the time I listen to this because it doesn't get interrupted with it. So that's it, friends. So it was easy, right? Subscribe and follow if you want to support me. Like, comment, and comment your favorite song.